make the juggling?
Yeah.
Don't picture us naked.
Okay. Impress us.
Don't picture us naked.
We're at the food truck festival. Ooh, I want a taco. I want to try every single fish taco here today. That's the goal.
That's the goal?
That's
okay, I'll see you in 50 minutes.
Oh yeah, go first.
Look at all these food trucks. Yeah.
I got fish tacos.
Ooh.
Okay. Yes.
Oh, what'd you get?
It's called Pat's cheese. It's like 2 grapes and then like meat.
What did you guys get?
I got lobster roll. Fish and chips.
Fish and chips. Nice, nice.
Turkey yerki taco.
What? Sorry?
Turkey yerki taco.
Okay. Taco. I got myself a poutine.
Yeah.
Amanda, how's your first time here at food truck?
Oh, so good. So much delicious items.
Janelle?
Hey.
How's your experience here at food truck?
I really like it.
Really like
I
it?
just want to try everything from like every food truck.
I know.
It's like yum. So
Just install the freezer right now.
Hi. What up?
right here. Where's the burrito? You guys want to try it?
She's American.
Oh my god, this is good too.
I'm so full. I'm done eating.
Right?
Kathy Kate, where's that YouTube channel?
Nobody's
Here, Kathy, here. Hold this. And go.
Hi, I'm Kate. We are currently reporting to you live.
She's American. What are you trying to do? She wants stairs.
Oh yes, I did.
Go.
Okay, since you're taking stairs, Antua, what are we doing now?
I'm not taking the stairs now.
I was telling you to introduce the fact that we're gonna go see Sara.
Oh,
Gosh.
so we're going to see someone really, really special. I feel something. It can be. She likes the one. What I came to. She likes. I don't know the words to that song. When I kiss the teacher. I remember that part where they're like this. Remember they're like this, like. Oh yeah. And she's like. Sarah, Sarah. Hello, lovely people. Give her all a hug at the same time.
Yeah.
Squish, squish. Hello. I hope you had a good.
Sarah, what?
I was telling Lauren while we were coming up the escalator. I was saying if Mav, I swear to God, if Mav has his vlog camera, I'm gonna die. And as soon as we get to the top, you're there. You're